Hey everyone, it's Gavin. We all know the feeling, that morning grogginess, the struggle to get out of bed. We want to start our day off right, but what if I told you some common morning habits, things you might think are healthy, are actually hurting you? Stay tuned because we're about to dive into 7 common morning mistakes that could be harming your health. All right, let's talk about breakfast. You've heard it's the most important meal of the day, right? Well, it is. When you wake up, your body is running low on fuel after a night of fasting. Eating a balanced breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, giving you the energy you need to power through your morning. It helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes and cravings. So what makes a good breakfast? Think protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Okay, hands up if you can't function without your morning coffee. I get it, I'm right there with you. But before you reach for that cup of joe, do yourself a favor and drink a glass of water first. When you wake up, you're naturally dehydrated after hours of sleep. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to replenish those fluids, rehydrate your cells, and get your body functioning optimally. Coffee, on the other hand, can actually dehydrate you. Trust me, you can still have your coffee, just make sure you're properly hydrated first. Be honest, what's the first thing you do when you wake up? If you reach for your phone, you're not alone. But let's talk about why this is a habit we need to break. When we start our day by scrolling through social media or checking emails, we're immediately bombarded with information, notifications, and potential stressors. This digital overload can lead to increased anxiety, stress, and feelings of overwhelm before our day has even really begun. Instead of starting your day with technology, give yourself at least 30 minutes of phone-free time. You'll be surprised at how much calmer and more centered you feel. Remember when you were a kid, waking up early to catch the sunrise? There's a reason why that felt so good. Sunlight is essential for our health and well-being. Getting some sunlight in the morning helps to regulate your circadian rhythm, which controls your sleep-wake cycle. So open those blinds, step outside for a few minutes, and soak up some of those morning rays. Even on cloudy days, you're still getting some of those beneficial rays. I know, a hot shower in the morning can feel amazing, but here's the thing. That steaming hot water might be doing more harm than good, especially for your skin. Hot water strips away your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry, irritated, and more prone to conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Aim for lukewarm water instead of scalding hot. Your skin will retain more of its natural moisture, and you'll still feel clean and refreshed. We're constantly told to get more exercise, but sometimes the thought of a full-blown workout first thing in the morning is just too much. But even just a few minutes of stretching or light exercise can make a world of difference. Gentle stretches or light exercises like yoga, tai chi, or even just walking around your house can help to increase blood flow, improve flexibility, and prepare your body for the day ahead. Plus, it's a great way to clear your head, relieve stress, and boost your mood. You don't need a lot of time or equipment. Even 5 to 10 minutes can make a difference. Let's talk about sugar. When you start your day with a sugar rush, you're setting yourself up for an energy roller coaster. Those sugary foods cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, followed by an equally rapid crash. Instead of reaching for sugary breakfast options, choose foods that provide sustained energy, like those rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. So, there you have it, 7 common morning habits that could be secretly harming your health. But the good news is, now that you're aware of them, you can start making changes to improve your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Which of these surprised you most? Comment below and support us on Patreon for exclusive content. Thanks for watching.